Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This time, me, Muhammad Amir, and my friend Nanda will present our conversation about how to use greeting, pre-closing, and closing in the conversation. Let's check out. Dave and Ben are good friends, and they are in the same college. They haven't seen each other for a week. They are going to attend their class. On their way, they meet each other coincidence. So Dave said hi to Ben.
Ben? Hey, there he is.
Oh, hi, Dave. It's been a while, hasn't it? What's up?
My serotonin levels after seeing you, my friend. How about you?
Really? Glad to hear that. Yeah, that much. How's your weekend, by the way?
Worst. I had to do my assignments. Tons of them.
Really? Same here, because
Yeah,
they just keep falling like a waterfall.
I know, right? It sucks.
Really, really, really sucks. by the way,
Yeah.
by the way, what are you up to?
To the class, it's Mrs. Risa. Such a temperament person, isn't she? Well, wish me luck.
Mm, I think you'll be okay because I was just from her class and she's pretty fun. Yeah, I guess she's in good mood now.
Oh, thank God. What a relief. Where are you going?
I'm going to Mr. Kevin's class. I wish he's busy because, you know, I'm too lazy to have another class today. I need some rest.
Yeah, me too, actually. Uh, oops, look at the time. Let's get together soon, okay? How about this weekend?
This weekend, nice
Mm,
idea, but wait. Let me. How about we watch the Iron Man 4, the movie? I'll call you later.
great. And I'll bring the snacks. Catch you later.
See you later.
Hey, Nanda's here. Thanks for watching and we hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know what you're thinking about the video in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Nanda's out, Amir's out. See ya!